Hello guys, welcome to Rich Boy Tech. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I created a premium shipping site. So this is where we bought the domain name of the site, Ocean Courier Express. That's the name we are working with. So we have just added the name to our cPanel. You can see the domain created successfully. So let's open the domain and check if it is live. As you can see, the domain is not live yet. So the next step is to upload our shipping script. To do that, go to the file manager and upload your shipping script. In case you need the shipping script, you can DM me. I will make it available to you. So as you can see, the script have been uploaded. So we just refresh the site. As you can see, the site is live. So this is the premium shipping courier website. So the next step is to log in this admin. Let's log in our admin. So this is how the admin panel look like. So here, let's go to the settings. We have updated the settings. So let's go to the dashboard. This is all our tracking. So let's add a new tracking now. So to add a new so this is our admin profile. So the next step is to put our admin email and password. Okay, the next step is to put our admin name, email and password. Okay, so this is the cPanel. So let's change the site name. To do that, log into your cPanel and click on edit. So let's locate the site name. So you need to change this to Ocean Courier Express. Let's change it to Ocean Express Shipping and Logistics. So save. So let's refresh it. Let's refresh our home page. Voila, as you can see, the name have changed. So the next step is to add tracking. So to do that, let's just write an example. John Cena, sender name, receiver name The Rock, sender's contact Texas, United States, receiver email therock@gmail.com, sender email. So just fill in the sendee and the receiver. So make sure you are filling the right information. Okay, so we're just going to fasten this place because I don't want this video to be long. So you can just go through it. Estimated delivery time, dispatch date, package description, everything. Make sure you fill it. So once you are done, you click on add. You can see shipping have been created. Look at our shipping down below. So let's track our shipping right now to see our shipment. Okay, copy the tracking code, paste it, go to the home page and track it. As you can see, this is the one we created. Name John Cena, receiver The Rock. So you can decide to add more features. You can decide to update it. So let's update it to another location. Ohio, 30th 8 2025. Put the time. Just fill here. Add for delivery update. We have updated it, so let's refresh it. You can see add for delivery. So let's update it again to on hold. Let's say you want to hold the goods depending on your type of work you are doing. So let's okay, track now. You can see it's on hold. So let's update it again with awaiting delivery. Location Texas. Put the date, the time. Awaiting delivery updates. So you refresh it and you can see it have updated awaited delivery. You can check the map, look at the map to check the location. So let's do the last one, which is delivered. You can see it has delivered to 25 Chicago. So package delivered. Okay, as you can see, yes, package delivered. So you can update it many times. You can choose to update it anything you want. So this is the front side of the front page of the site. Okay, so let's go for the live chat section. I want to track my order. Name Richard, Mike. So this is the live chat, so you can chat with users as a manager or as a courier company. So let's message this user. What is your tracking number? So the user now, we have to provide his or her tracking number. So this is our tracking number. So the user provided it. This is an example. I'm just giving you illustration. So as the admin, you will message the user that, okay, you are getting your package soon. So you can decide to now update the package as delivered, depending on your type of work. So this is a user, you can, as a user, you can give a feedback on the live chat. So once the package have arrived, you can message the user, your package is ready. You can track it here, give him the tracking code of your site. So once you log in the tracking code and input his or her tracking code, he will see all the necessary details of his shipment. You can see package delivered, package received, processing, everything, both the map, everything. And you can also print out receipts using the admin session. So thank you guys for watching. So if you need the script, just message me on Telegram. My Telegram handle is on the description below. If you need it, message me up, hit me up. And if you want to build any website, I can help you build any shipping website. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.